I am at Dollar Tree. In the rain. It just started raining. I think it's going to pour for a while, so I might have to just do this on the fly. I see some cups. I see that. I'm going to have to do it with a little umbrella. Who knows? Let's see. Well, I just got a tornado warning on my phone. So I knew it was going to rain, but I did not know it was going to rain like this. And it's until 7 o'clock, and it is raining pretty hard right now. I don't think it's going to get better. So I'm thinking I'm just going to go in and grab what I can until I get wet enough that I don't want to do it anymore, I guess. Oh, what do we got going here? Frugal Mommy, I need a haircut. Look at that. I've got 25 umbrellas. And this is the one I brought with me. I don't even know how I'm going to pull this off. Check this out. So if it, oh, look, I forgot the bag. Yeah, see, I'm getting this stuff. I don't care if I get totally soaked. I just don't want to ruin my phone. So here we go. I'll just tell you, my feet are soaked already. But do I care? Yes. Am I going to stop? No. I don't know if you can see me. Ooh, look at that. Who would throw 10 of those away? Is there like an expiration date? Yeah, right before you need it. There's the expiration. Expiration is right before you need it. Oh, three? Oh man, there's a bunch of them. 3 packs. Okay, 3 packs. We're bringing this too. Oh man. I think I'm getting my phone wet. I can't tell. I'll tell you what, I know I'm getting wet. Oh, shoot, I'm doing everything I can to... Oh, man! I do not want that phone to get ruined! What's this? Is this food? No, it doesn't look like food. Or stuff. Food or stuff? No food or stuff. What is this? Nail polish remover. Dead woodchuck in there too? Huh? Please. Please. Oh, there's stuff in there. This is crazy. This has got to be the craziest dive I've ever done. I think. Yeah, I don't know. There's 2 cases of Colgate. Man, I would love them to be full. Or even half full. I would take half full. I'd definitely settle for half. Half a case of toothpaste. That looks like candy. I might have to bring that right to the car. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring this stuff in. Here it is. See it? Try and grab it. It goes for the popcorn first. I'm tossing. flicking and tossing. Tossing. Getting wet, huh? You see me getting wet? Oh, man. Got water dripping off my head. Sorry, phone. Phone better be on. I'll see you at home, if I make it home.
Well, that was exciting. You got to give a person credit for diving in the rain, because it's definitely less fun when you're getting soaking wet, in my opinion. Okay, so we'll take a look at this haul. The popcorn he pulled out, I think he already ate. And the bag of candy he said was not good. It was all melted. I don't know. I think I could find a use for melted chocolate, but okay. So we have all the styrofoam plates, and well, I'm going to show you. It's not, you know, but it's. I'm just going to tell you. I'm going to say, dumpsterinos, that all these styrofoam plates and cups that I'm about to show you. I mean, first of all, styrofoam shouldn't be made. Obviously, duh. It's horrible for the environment. But it was made. It was made. It's produced. We have it now. Better, I think, to use it, and then it gets disposed of, than to not even use it and have it just disposed of. And what well, anyway, let's just take a look. Oops, shadows. So we've got our nail polish remover, handy. We've got our little garden spinny flower. This is going to be the beginning of our wind farm. We have 7 packages of the foam trays. It's a very nice foam plate. You can kind of see the layout of the plate there. It has different sections so your food doesn't all slop together. And there are 10 trays in a package. So we have 70 of those. We have 2 packages of the 14 dinner plates. And 3 packages, 45 cups each, of styrofoam cups. Now these plates are extremely handy to have. I was watching this prepper channel recently, like a homesteady prepper channel. And this young couple, oh my gosh, are they set up like crops and farm animals and jars of things. And they have an incredible setup. And if you watch it, you think, I'm not ready. We're gonna die. They had in one of their pantries a whole bunch of paper plates stacked up. And I thought, that's a little weird. Why do they have all these paper plates? And they mentioned it and said, well, the grid is down. If you can't get water, if clean water is an issue, just use paper plates for a while. And I can see that as a very sensible item to have on hand. If we are hauling our water from the river and have to strain it, not strain it, but if we have to purify it and filter it, there might be times where we just don't want to be washing all the dishes. I don't know. I just think the styrofoam plates could come in really handy. And it's not that you couldn't wash these either. I mean, we would rinse off these plates and use them over and over again. These aren't like single use and then throw away. Oh, no. These styrofoam plates can be used multiple times. I mean, if you just have, let's say, a hot dog or a hamburger on there, and then you just have like a few crumbs from the bun and a little splot of ketchup and residue from salad or something, just a little rinsing will do for that, a little rinsing. So I am super excited about all the styrofoam because it's going to go right up into the prepper pantry. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please be sure to give us a thumbs up on your way out, because Frugal Daddy really, he worked for you. He worked for you guys in the rain, and to him all glory be given, eh? We will see you again soon with some more dumpster diving and other stuff. And until then,